welcome Ji. Today we are going to look the overview of our market. Today our market is down near about 0.1%, 0.95%, and almost you can check here today in our Nifty 50 almost 36, 34 stocks are in decline and 16 are in advanced stage. Okay, so our market is, you can say, in bearish mode. So today we have to just going to overview one stocks. Today I'm going to discuss on the Bajaj Finance. Okay. So what is the current status of Bajaj Finance? First check. So if the current price of Bajaj Finance is 2,100, and now today Bajaj Finance is down by 3.78%, and he make his lower 1,997 and today make higher 2,135. Okay, finally they close on 2,000. So as per the trade volume, uh, today you can see 17.95% quantity is available. That is a good. You can also check the company informations here, and we notice that the company has a this is a good point. This company does not have any share list. This is one for plus point for the respective, and uh, near about 57% share is held by the promoter, and this company is almost constantly based 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017 they have a given dividend. Okay, so let's discuss today's status. Today they he started on highest price, and now they are close near about down. In the so in weekly basis today uh, he is given minus 3.71%. If you check some basic points, this stock is trading is still they are trading current price is more than your intrinsic value. That means this trade is still trading higher than its intrinsic value, means core value. What is the actual value of the stock should be, and EIB, as per this website, we have good time to invest. But as per the my suggestion, we have to wait until market is in bearish phase because we don't know when by which times the market is in down phase. Uh, so let's analyze his past record as well as in 1 week he is flat. In 1 week he is a flat. He is only 2.15% given returns. In 1 month we check given a negative return point 6.99 and 1 year we can check negative minus 34.00. But when we are looking at long term returns of this company, it's like very positive. You look the chart is the upper trend chart, okay? But due to this coronavirus from here, they is going down. Still, this is huge fall. Beyond that, this company provide our shareholder to 366%, almost more than threefold. Let's you have invested 1 lakh, your money will become 3.66 lakh. So, as per my suggestion, here for long terms, we can think it's a good stock. But as per current market, we have to wait and observe until our market is not stabilized. Currently, our market is not stabilized. Our market is in bearish mode. You can say. If we check the long-term charts of this Bajaj Finance, you notice that they have returns 44,600, 364. It's amazing. But this higher returns you only achieve when you have a patience to hold your stock longer period. In a short period, you cannot achieve such kind of returns. Okay. The first things we have to select good quality stocks which have a higher returns in longer period. So we also make that we are selecting right stocks and keep holding for a longer period of time. In that's uh, if you look the market as the trend perspective and we notice that this is in is this is the weekly basis. This is the very bearish means we have to hold in bearish market as a long term investor. We are not going to buy stocks. We have to wait until market is moved into the bullish. You can also notice in weekly basis, sorry, also very varies, and monthly basis also varies. Means here trends show daily, weekly, monthly that your stock is in down phase. So we have to wait and make patience for this stock. Fundamentally, this stock is a very good in terms of returns. I already show you on the longer period of times they have provide. If you go to look the longer period times, the day negative return, week negative, monthly return, 3 month negatives, 6 month negative, yearly negative, and after that go to the second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, 10th year, and majorly. So you notice that they have returns almost 4,564% in the 10 year. So this returns uh, give some idea that we have to hold the stocks for longer period of times. And those whenever we are going to selecting any stocks, we have to focus, we have to check this stocks is in for 10 year, the business on which they are working, in, they can sustain in coming 10 year, 5 year, 4 year. After that, you have to take some decision. If you are going to check here his shareholding patterns, you notice that okay, majority share have a kept by the promoter. There is no stocks is placed, and in these stocks, you notice mutual fund also invested and holding 7.85%. They also invested FII and is the major here major promoter is Bajaj Finserv is a holding company. Okay. And here government of Singapore also invested in this company. So in short, my suggestion as a fundamental uh, analysis perspective, we can see that Bajaj Finance is a good stocks now is in a very reasonable price, but still due to the current situation of the market, we have to hold and watch these stocks and take until the market is not going some bearish mode. You know, market is suddenly going up, suddenly going up, up, up again, again down, up, again down. So in short, up small direction, then up, and then go to the down. So we have to wait until market mood doesn't get as a positive mode. So in last, I am going to show the financial status of this. Okay, if I am going to the check his balance sheet and we notice that what are the status of this company. Any company are evaluated on the basis of his basic fundamental financial activity. We have to look what is the balance sheet of this company. Okay? And from financially is the good in the terms of quality, price. Do you notice that this company have a first notice the reserve. They have a huge Here you can check here, and you need to notice that his reserve is increasing from 4,000 to 7,000 to 9,000 to 16,000 to 90,000. Miscue. That graph indicate that the is company's reserve perspective is increasing. This reserve 4,000, 7,000, 9,000, 16,000, and then 90,000. Is this reserve perspective? The company is making good progress. And also notice that his second point I'm here trying to say is current cash and bank balance. Okay, they have a also. So in short, uh, as per the my reading this balance sheet of the Bajaj Finance, they have fundamentally uh, is the good solid you can say, and so in short, my suggestion for that stock we have to make watch these stocks, and whenever this stock is come on his intrinsic value. When they come at that point, you can go to buy a small amount of funds. Not my suggestion is you have to currently wait and make a patience. When stock okay, whenever this stock will come under his intrinsic value, at that time he will going to buy on the bucket level. Not you can say you are going to invest all the money in one slot. Instead, we make some bucket one time, next bucket, a smaller portion of time you have to purchase. Thank you.